Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, let me love boy, what you. Hello Fam, welcome back to the channel and to another video. I hope you're doing fine. It's in the evening. I want to anoint my day. So I want to declutter my living room. I'm not a fan of decluttering at night, but I find it fun whenever I'm in the mood and I'm not exhausted. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I need to put down the rug. I also need to change my pillow covers. And just dust off the surfaces.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lions gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
I'm done putting my clean throw pillow covers, and now I'm just going to put down my rug and start dusting off the surfaces.
Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
I'm really obsessed with this fake plant of mine, and I'm looking forward to buy a big one. If you know a shop where they sell fake plants, those big ones, kindly leave a comment down below. Actually, within Mombasa, that is, I'll be so happy.
Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
I love me a clean and cozy place, so this is what my living room looks right now. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself for cleaning. I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really did enjoy doing this at night. Most probably I'll be like decluttering at night whenever I'm in the mood and less exhausted. So yeah, let me see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Yeah, so today was my hair day, so I had to wash my hair, and today I did a mask. So I put on the hair mask, let it sit for about 15 minutes before washing it. So yeah, I'm done. I need to change the beddings to clean ones. Then after that we go blow dry my hair. Then after that, take breakfast and get ready for the day. Today I'm meeting my friend later on, but before I do that, I still have I have a delivery coming over. So the guy called me around 9, but he's not here yet. So I think the delivery is going to be done around 12 or 11. I'm not sure, but still I need to go meet my friend today. We're going to have some good time. So yeah, let me first do that and get ready for the day.
Let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
I'm done making my bed, and this is the clean beddings that I'm having on. So pretty.
The beauty of the world, Savannah.
So here is my little setup. So I normally comb my hair at home. I don't go to salon, not unless I want to do my hair. So there's my blow dryer. I have this comb. It helps to lay my hair very well. Fitna hair oil. Actually, this is I have 4 oils in here, and I usually put a rosemary in my hair, as you can see, a clip just to help me whenever I'm combing, and I use a mirror just to see myself. So let me do that, and I'll see you once I'm done. I'm done blow drying my hair, so I'll take my breakfast. I have some work that I need to complete. I will do that, and I'll see you guys later. So my package came in, and let me show you what I got for myself. This year I promised myself that growing spiritually it's my first priority, and this year. So I got 3 Islamic books. You can try them if you're going to be interested. I'm going to leave my Jumia link on description box. If you use it above a thousand Kenya shilling, you'll get a free delivery. So the first book is called Timeless Seed of Advice. This is how it looks like. Yeah, I'm very excited to try this book out. I mean, all of them. The second one is Amnia. Yeah, a guide to dua, supplications from the Quran and authentic hadith. This is Adhkar series 2. This is how it looks like. Last but not least, the great woman of Islam who are given the good news of paradise. I'm eager to try this one. Actually, I'm going to start with this one. Yeah, so those are the 3 books that I got, and I also got 2 novels, but they are not here yet. Most probably I'll get them tomorrow. I'm not sure when they will be delivered. So yeah, let me go get ready because time is running and it's not on my side. I'll start journaling on this book very soon, inshallah. If you have more recommendation, yeah, just leave me a comment, and if you're going to be interested, I'm going to leave my number down below. My code down below to the description box, and you can get yourself these 3 books and try them out. I'm ready to head out, and this is what I'm wearing, this cute dress. I'm going to pair it with this white hijab. For the scent of today, I'm going to wear a Nabil, which smells so amazing. I'm carrying my hand lotion without forgetting my sunscreen. And for the lippies, I'm wearing Maybelline Gold in number 19. I'm carrying that mirror, then that bag. It's giving beach vibes, so yeah, let me dress up. When we were done with our agendas, we decided to grab some lunch, and after that we will have a walk on the beach before heading home. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see me when I see you to my next video. Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's not take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's not take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.